Hi, Melanie.
Hello.
How old are you, Melanie?
11.
What grade are you in school?
3.
Grade 3? You have a mother and father? Imong mama ug papa ba? Asa trabaho imong papa?
Masura.
Your mother is going to do a drug?
Yes.
She said, Melanie, her mother do a drug. Addicted the drugs. They call it in the Philippines, shabu. Pila mo kabuk man nagsuon?
7.
Pila kabuk lalaki?
3.
She have a 3 sister and 3 brothers.
4.
Siya may gibidyohan. Melanie, if no hope house, she said, she's not, she's a homeless, always missing around. Unsay natabang nito today evening mo? What David can help you?
Mga bag. Ang shoppingan ko. Salamat.
She said, Tito Dave ko no always shopping her, buy a school clothes, food, giving money for school project. Unsay gitudlo ni David ninyo day about sa Bible? What David teach you about the Bible? David is spread the gospel. Unsay imong nakatunan sa Bible? Kabaw ka mo basa? How you know how to read the Bible?
Kamay.
She said she has a little bit how to read the Bible. Ganaan ka sa Hope House? Are you like the Hope House?
Yes.
How been you coming here? How long you coming in the Hope House?
2 years.
2 years? Di man ka 2 years. I think mga 4 years or 5 years. Kay gamay pa biya ka. I saw your picture. You're a very little. I guess you're a 5 years. You're coming here.
Uy, maguba na ka na niya. Sipat kayo. Pabadlong ka.
Ano sa imong message sa imong sponsor?
Salamat kaya po tabangan.
She's very thankful the Hope House and especially to her sponsor. Sige, bye-bye Melanie. God bless. Take care always.